Hello all! Welcome back to my channel! Do you see these beautiful sun catchers that I've made? You can make one of your own by following this video. Let's get to it! Now let's take a look at what we need to make this. First, we'll be needing some craft papers of any color. Today, I have chosen black. And then you'll need a circular object. I chose this plate. You'll be needing some glue, scissors, pencil, some gift papers, and lastly, an adult to help you because we'll be working with some very sharp scissors. Let's get to it. First step is we're going to put our object on the paper and we're going to trace it with our pencil. If you can't do this, get an adult to help you. Next, we'll be cutting the circle that we made. So I'm going to make 2 sun catchers. First, we'll be folding the circle into half. Now we're going to make one more fold. So I'm going to be making one more fold here. I asked my mom to do it because it was really thick. Now this kind of looks like a pizza slice. So the next step is to make some designs on this pizza shaped paper. The next step is to cut on these lines. It will be a little hard, so ask an adult to help you. I'm asking my mom to do them. So this is what it looks like after the cut. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. This is another one that my mom cut for me. Wow. Next, you will need pieces of scrap paper. Now we'll be gluing these scrap papers on the cuttings. So this is what it looks like when you turn it around. The glue is going to dry off in a little bit. So this is what my other one looks like. As you can see, I've done it in a pattern. And lastly, make a hole in the corner and put a string to it to hang it. Here they are. I hope yours turn out beautiful too. Do try making this at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me making this. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!